What secrets did Stonehenge's mysterious creators leave behind, etched in stones that have stood for 5,000 years? Today, we're diving deep into the enigma of Stonehenge, a monument in Wiltshire, England, that baffles archaeologists and captivates mystery seekers worldwide. Who were the Neolithic builders who raised these massive stones? How did they achieve feats that seem impossible without modern tools? And what purpose drove them to create this enduring marvel? Stay with us to explore groundbreaking discoveries that reveal a story of unity, ritual, and astonishing engineering. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our journey through the past. Stonehenge, a circle of towering stones, is one of the greatest ancient history mysteries. Built between 3000 and 2000 BCE, its sarsen stones rise up to 30 feet high, weighing as much as 50 tons, while smaller bluestones, some as heavy as 5 tons, whisper secrets from distant lands. This isn't just a monument, it's a testament to a lost civilization's genius. Questions swirl. Who were these builders, and what drove them to create such a marvel? To answer, we'll travel back 5,000 years, piecing together clues from archaeology, DNA studies, and recent discoveries that shed light on a world long vanished. Stonehenge's creators were Neolithic farmers, descendants of migrants from Anatolia who settled Britain around 4000 BCE. These early Britons were masters of agriculture, cultivating wheat and barley and domesticating animals like cattle and pigs. Their ability to organize labor is evident in monumental sites like Avebury and the nearby Durrington Walls, where communal feasts drew hundreds. But around 2500 BCE, a seismic shift reshaped Britain. The Beaker people, migrants from the lower Rhine region of Europe, arrived with advanced skills in metalworking, crafting bronze tools, and distinctive bell-shaped pottery. DNA studies published in Nature in 2019 reveal a shocking 90% replacement of the Neolithic population, suggesting a complex blending of cultures. Stonehenge likely became a crossroads where these groups met, shared ideas, and left their mark. This topic was chosen by you in our Ancient Chronicles HD community poll. Thank you for shaping our content. More polls are coming, so comment below to suggest our next video topic and keep the conversation alive. You've asked in comments for more details on how Stonehenge was built, so let's unpack this engineering marvel. The builders faced daunting challenges, moving 50-ton sarsen stones from quarries 20 miles away and 2 to 5-ton bluestones from the Preseli Hills in Wales, 200 miles distant. In 2024, archaeologists discovered the 6-ton altar stone came from Scotland, over 400 miles away, hinting at a vast network of trade or pilgrimage. Without wheels or modern machinery, how did they manage? They likely used wooden sledges, greased with animal fat to reduce friction, to drag stones across rugged terrain. Ropes woven from plant fibers and wooden ramps helped position them, while counterweight systems, possibly using logs and stones, raised the sarsens upright. Flint tools, painstakingly chipped, shaped each stone with precision, a process that could take years for a single megalith. Picture hundreds of workers, united by a shared vision, chanting rhythmically as they hauled stones under the open sky. An awe-inspiring feat that challenges our modern assumptions about prehistoric capabilities. Why build Stonehenge? Its secrets lie in its intricate design and multifaceted purpose. The monument aligns precisely with the summer solstice sunrise and winter solstice sunset, functioning as a prehistoric calendar or astronomical observatory, tracking seasons critical for farming. But it was far more than a timekeeper. Excavations have uncovered over 60 burials and cremated remains, suggesting it was a sacred site for ancestor worship, where the living honored the dead. Some archaeologists propose the bluestones, dragged from Wales, were believed to have healing powers, drawing pilgrims seeking cures for ailments.
A 2020 study in the Journal of Archaeological Science revealed another secret. The stone's arrangement amplifies sound, creating an echo chamber effect for chants or ceremonies. Imagine priests clad in animal hides, their voices resonating through the circle, as crowds gathered under starlit skies for rituals we can only guess at.
Lesser-known evidence suggests Stonehenge may have hosted seasonal festivals, with feasting and music, as hinted by animal bones and pottery at nearby sites. Was it a temple, a healing sanctuary, or a stage for communal rites? Each clue deepens the mystery. Stonehenge's greatest secret may be its role as a symbol of unity. The 2024 discovery that the altar stone came from Scotland, not Wales, rewrote its story. Stones from across Britain, sarcens from local quarries, blue stones from Wales, and the altar stone from Scotland suggest a deliberate effort to unite distant tribes. As the Beaker people blended with Neolithic farmers around 2500 BCE, during a time of population upheaval, Stonehenge became a cultural hub. Nearby Durrington Walls reveals evidence of massive feasts, with pig bones from as far as Scotland, indicating it was a pilgrimage site drawing people from across the island. Picture diverse clans gathering, sharing food, exchanging goods, and forging bonds under Stonehenge's towering stones. This wasn't just a monument, it was a bold statement of togetherness, a place where ancient Britons built a shared identity in a changing world, leaving a legacy that echoes through history. Stonehenge's secrets keep unfolding with modern archaeology. In 2020, the Durrington Shafts, a 2-kilometer-wide circle of pits, proved Stonehenge was part of a vast, sacred landscape, possibly marking a ritual boundary. The 2024 altar stone discovery suggested a political purpose, uniting Britain's tribes during a time of migration. In 2025, a Stonehenge-like timber circle in Denmark hinted at shared cultural practices across Europe, suggesting Neolithic builders were part of a broader network. Another find, a 2023 study of wear patterns on tools at Stonehenge, revealed the builders used sophisticated woodworking techniques, crafting sledges and levers with precision. These discoveries answer your comments demanding more recent finds and show Stonehenge's story is still evolving. Yet questions remain. Why did the Neolithic population fade? Theories point to climate change, disease, or cultural shifts as the Beaker people rose. What other secrets lie buried beneath the Wiltshire Plains? The past is alive with questions, and we're here to chase the answers. Stonehenge's creators, Neolithic farmers and Beaker people, left behind a monument of unity, ritual, and engineering genius. From hauling stones across Britain to aligning them with the stars, they built a legacy that still captivates us. But mysteries linger. What drove the decline of the Neolithic people? Was it environmental stress, a plague, or the rise of a new culture? Share your theories in the comments. What's your favorite Stonehenge secret? If you loved this dive into ancient history, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mysteries. Let's keep unraveling the past together.